Hey guys, today I'm sharing with you my #1 product to get your spring clean on. This is my secret to cleaning faster.
These walls are covered in fingerprints.
My favorite new gadget of 2021 is my Bissel Steam Shot, and I love that it's actually affordable.
Oh, it looks so good! I'm going full infomercial for these people. This is not an infomercial, I just woke up like this.
Here is the 101 of everything you need to know about how to steam clean. So what is a steam shot cleaner? It's a hard surface cleaner that uses high pressure steam to take away stubborn dirt. There's no harsh chemicals, it just uses tap water, and it sanitizes as it goes. I'll be sure to link it down below, and here are 13 ways to save time and money cleaning. Right out of the box, this is so easy to use. You screw off the top and fill it up with water. It's got a nice long cord. But most of the time, I'm gonna put the little extender stick on and then add my accessory. This one is my favorite, which are the scrub brushes. These are super easy to put on, and they come in 3 different colors so you don't mix up the areas of your house you're cleaning, like kitchens and bathrooms. First, we're starting out in the laundry room. Now, you might not think your machine is that dirty, but I bet you dollars to donuts, if you go check it out right now, you will find so much grime under the rim. Now, you'll notice with the Steam Shot, I'm not even touching the surface. The steam itself does a great job of breaking down that really sticky and tacky residue. Also, don't forget to check underneath of your machines where a lot of that is. I don't have to use any chemicals or put in any elbow grease.
So this is perfect for cleaning out the inside of your microwave.
I also use this to clean oven filters. These get grimy really quickly and can be hard to give a good, thorough, deep clean. In just a couple of minutes, all of that grime melts away. You can see there it is on the rag and a side-by-side before and after. I also love this in my sink. Cleaning your faucets, those get so dirty so fast, and those hard to reach spaces. This is the perfect once a week upkeep in between your daily cleanings. And don't forget about your oven tops. You'll notice I'm using the agitator so very lightly, and it does a really great job. Another place I love cleaning are my cutting boards. I have a separate extension just for this. It does a great job of sanitizing, and it doesn't get all of that soap scum buildup. And don't trash talk this one because it is so good. I use this all the time to clean our trash can. Again, I'm putting barely any pressure on, and sometimes I just use the nozzle itself. Give this a good wipe down for a sanitized clean once a week. And this trick I am loving. You can use this steamer extension right on your curtains, but I like to use it right on appliances. This is another great way to sanitize them. I mean, I never thought cleaning a trash can could be fun, but I'm not gonna lie, it kind of is. And sometimes you want to ditch that towel altogether.
This extender is great on your cabinets. I love our white kitchen, but it can be kind of hard to keep clean.
I hold this just a couple of inches away from the cabinets, and it does a great job of loosening all of that buildup.
It also disinfects the handles, which is great.
Now you know I cannot escape this video without a Dollar Tree tip. Get a microfiber cloth, and you can use this just as well as those extension rags. Those can get really pricey if you're gonna buy them from Bissel, so I just stick this right on, and I can use this all over my kitchen. But my favorite spot is to use it straight on my walls and all of those fingerprints. This saves money on not having to buy so many magic erasers. Steam the area and then immediately wipe away with a clean rag. Now we're gonna talk about the scraper, and this is some satisfying footage coming up. This works really great on the inside of your oven. And full disclosure, this was actually my first time doing this, and I was so impressed with how much it took up. If you have more stubborn stains, you can add a little bit of baking soda right to the surface and then very gently use the agitator to help get it off. I can't believe I'm showing this on camera, but here we are. The angle cleaner is really great in your bathrooms, especially for the base and underneath of your toilet. And if you're wondering, I clean my extensions every so often with soap and warm water. And when you think about it, if you clean a steam cleaner, you become a steam cleaner. That's kind of mind-blowing. And I can't forget about the Grout brush extensions. All machines should come with this. I don't use this on my floor often. I tend to use it on my tiled walls, especially right at the edge where your sink or your tub meets your tile. It does a really great job and you barely need any pressure. And you're not gonna lose steam once you get started with this. I took it out to the car this day. I had never done that before, and it did such a great job on my leather seats, getting all of the park mud off. And we have a really dark red mud in North Carolina. You'll have to let me know in the comments down below what you would clean.
These air people do touch that like every day, so.
Yeah, no, it's just really dirty.
If you enjoyed this video, would you leave it a big thumbs up and a comment down below? That really helps me out a lot, and it lets me know you want more videos just like this one, affordable ideas for around your home. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I am glad you are here and cannot wait to catch you guys in the next one. Subscribe so I can see you there. Bye.
I cleaned you too. Why are you laughing at that?
I don't know, it's funny.